baka nakalimutan ni Raul Manuel na merong 2 kumpanya ng Sub-Regional Guerrilla Unit ng NPA at isang platoon ng Guerrilla Front 34 na nakasama niya sa Sitio Bolob, Barangay Daguhoy, Talaingo, Davao del Norte sa loob ng NPA camp na ang iba doon buhay pa. Majority of them are still alive and majority of them ay nagbalik loob na sa gobyerno. So lahat yun sila very willing to testify na siya ay isang membro ng Communist Party of the Philippines at siya ay pumasok sa isang NPA unit. Hindi lang ako yung nagsasalita, napakarami namin. And those eyewitnesses and those credible people who would testify would prove na totoo yung link ng CPP, MP, NDF at ng Makabayan Black, totoo na yung purpose ng pagtakbo nila ngayong eleksyon is not just about upholding the interests of the Filipino people, but it is about the recovery of the CPP-NPA doon sa kabundukan. It is about the recovery of their organization for them to continue to overthrow the existing government through armed struggle. At ayaw na ayaw natin yan.